It's 2023, and with the new year comes new resolutions, so here's a few tips to help you get the most out of yours. Tip number one is to be realistic with your goals. Don't set yourself up for failure thinking that you're never going to have your favourite foods ever again. Instead, just have them a little less often than you normally would. And if fitness is the goal, then try not to fall into the trap of these 30-day get shredded or get fit challenges, because sometimes the only things that they get you is discouraged by the end of the month. Tip number two is to keep a track of your progress. Something that is measured can be improved upon. If you don't know what weight you were initially or how far your very first run was, then you have no idea if you're progressing or regressing. And this leads us into tip number three, is to set short-term goals. Instead of focusing on the big picture, the losing 10 stone, focus on the first 5 to 10 pounds. That short-term goal will help keep you motivated, and because you're keeping a track of yourself, you can feel all lovely about yourself because you're hitting those. And in saying that, tip number four is to not get discouraged if you aren't hitting your short-term goals some weeks. It's never a straight line up in the progress. Sometimes you'll have off weeks, sometimes you'll have on weeks, but as long as you're trending upwards, then we know we're going in the right direction. The next tip is to talk openly with your friends and family about your goal. Giving yourself that kind of accountability and social pressure can give yourself the motivation to stick to the goal. They can also help keep an eye on you to make sure your focus isn't wavering, and it also helps you feel nice about yourself when you are achieving your goals and you can go and brag about it to everyone. And last but not least is to stick to it. They say it takes 21 days to form a habit and 6 months for that habit to become part of your personality, so be persistent and be patient. If you are having trouble sticking to your resolutions, book in on our website or give us a call and we can have a chat about it.